Black Diamond X4, and this is the offset.
That's a different result than I normally get.
What on earth happened here?
It didn't break. It came out, but it also looks kinked. Definitely isn't working anymore. So next we took that rock adapter and we hung it on the drop tower. And we ended up using a span set in order to just shuck load the cams, because if we just used ropes, in the past they just, the rope stretches and the cam doesn't come out. And you only get like 6 kilonewtons, and it's just like, it's anticlimactic. We want to see some carnage. But that does show why you don't want to use a Dyneema sling and fall really hard on an anchor. In future tests that we are going to be releasing, we actually mounted the rock adapter to the drop tower, but having it swing underneath didn't really produce any obscure results.
You want to see the unboxing?
Wow, 10.84. That's enough to catch ya.
And this is rated to 8 kilonewtons.
All right. What the hell happened? Oh, that's gonna go on the wall, dude. Is that our lobe in half?
No, I don't think so, actually. I think it just is like way out of position. Well, there's a lot missing though.
I would like to thank Steve from Scorpion Anchors for making me this amazing adapter thing. And you can see my placement is less than ideal, but this cam is also super screwed up. Sorry if I'm shaking, there's just a lot going on here. That's the perfect descent. I wanted to see if that quick release would work on me. So now that we got a cam in there, we're gonna lift up our 200-pound sample. Let's lift this up and drop it on our non-stretchy span set, which is also intended to shock load this. $12.26 kilonewtons. Is it still usable? It is not still usable. Now it's a nut. All right, here is our next cam. We've got a yellow Wild Country Friend. That is placed super good enough considering the stem is pretty damn wide, but it comes out to there and is connected to this. Huh. Here is our next placement. $13.43. The lobes are a little bent inward, and they look like that.